Most relationship conflicts are simply mechanical errors, specifically high-frequency signal noise that prevents actual information from being transferred. Emotional reactivity is not data. It is pure chaotic interference. Today, we implement the communication protocol to restore systemic stability. When friction occurs, you must immediately move from a reactive loop to a data-first framework. You must strip away the accusatory language and focus entirely on the operational reality. This means you must articulate three specific things: the exact input that triggered the friction, the observed output that resulted, and the intended system correction required to prevent a recurrence. If your partner cannot understand the mechanical failure, the system will remain permanently broken, and the same arguments will repeat indefinitely. You must stop treating your disagreements as battles to be won and start treating them as technical issues to be resolved. By requiring a structured response, you bypass the emotional ego that protects the flaws in your dynamic. Replace how you feel with how the system is failing. Once you systematically eliminate the noise, you can actually solve the underlying problem instead of just venting the pressure. Stop the cycle of misinterpretation and build a protocol that functions regardless of your mood. Subscribe for weekly updates on structural relationship architecture.